by 18. Okay, so let me write down the equation again. Down here, 2x plus 1, 9, minus x plus 4, 6 equals, I'll move it, don't worry, I'm just rewriting the equation. There we go. Okay, so this is good. There we go. Okay. So again, we're going to multiply both sides by 18, right? So we're going to have 18. What the? I think by mistake I hit the highlighter part, which is why it gave me that. So we have 1 times 18. Again, multiplication is commutative, so you can multiply in any order you want. On the right side, I can put 18 after 1 or before 1. You know, multiplication, it doesn't matter what order. So what we do next is we're going to distribute, right? Like so. And so we get 18 times 2x plus 1 over 9 minus that, minus 18 times x plus 4 over 6. Okay, remember, with the minus here, you're subtracting all of x plus 4 over 6. Okay? You're not just subtracting x. So, and this is equal to 18. Right? 18 times 1 is 18. Okay, so now we're going to have some cancellation, which is always fun. Okay, so let's cancel a bit. Okay, so we have the 9 is gone, 18, I can't see that, let me move that down a bit. There we go. So 18, right, that's going to become 2. 6 is gone, 18 becomes 3. So what we get is 2 times 2x plus 1, right? Minus 3 times x plus 4, all equals 18. Good. So now again, we have to distribute again. So that's what I'm showing here. Just writing it in red, I guess, to illustrate that I'm distributing. Right? We have to distribute. So we're going to get 2 times 2x plus 2. Plus 2 times 1 minus 3 times x. But again, we have to distribute minus 3. That's why I'm writing minus 3 times 4. Okay? Can't forget the minus sign. Yeah, we can't forget that. Okay, so we get 4x, right, plus 2 minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 18. Getting closer. Okay, first let me plug this in. Don't want my computer to run out of power. Okay, so here we have 4x, right? And we have 3x. So what I'm going to have is this. I'm going to have, well, let me write it out. I'm putting the like terms next to each other. I mean, normally you can skip this step, but I want to show like everything so everyone understands. Okay, we have like terms, right? So here we're going to have x, right? Minus 10, 2 minus 12 is 10. That's 18, and Microsoft Whiteboard filled in a circle for me, which really is annoying. Let me just fix that circle. There we go. Makes it harder to erase, so that's why I went back like that. So we're almost there. We have x minus 10 is 18. What's left? We want to get x all alone, so I add 10 to both sides. And then finally, 10's cancel. We get x equals 28. Boy, that was a lot. So that's okay. I will post solutions as well. Okay. Yeah.
I got a different answer, but when I went back and checked the work, it like when I filled in the X's and plugged them in for the answer that I got, it said it was the same thing.
What do you, for which one? This one I just did?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got x equals 4.
Really? I don't think I made a mistake. See, if you do 4, let me see. So if I do 18 times that, let me see. Really? For number 3?
Yeah.
Oh, I could check it later, but pretty confident my answer is right. Let me see something though. X at 10, it's 28. So if I, let me try, let me check. Okay, so we're gonna check x equals 4. Okay, let's see if you're right, because you could be right. Pretty sure, although I'm pretty confident mine is right, but let me see. All right, let me start. Let me see. So we have 2 times 4 plus 1 over 9 minus 4 plus 4 over 6. What the? Oh my gosh. Over 6. Now is that going to be 1? 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus, oh, I see what's going to happen. You're going to have 9, right, over 9 minus 8 over 6 equals 1. I mean, 9 over 9 is equal to 1, but you have the minus 8 over 6.
Okay, I'll try to redo it. Thank you.
Okay, that's okay. Good. That's okay. That's why it's also good to check, though, so because you can see, oh, something's wrong. I just don't see the mistake, so that happens. Okay, no worries. Okay, good question, though. Are there any other questions? Okay. All right, we have about, let me see, we have about a minute left, although I guess it wouldn't hurt to start the next section, so let me do that. So I'm going to stop sharing this. I didn't share the quadratic equation stuff, but let me share that now. I mean, well, not share, but let me start it now. There it is. Okay. Okay, so basically, this is what we're going to go into next time. What we're going to see is what quadratic equations are. And basically here, we're going to see what they are. We're also going to see how to solve them. And there's different ways of solving them. For time consideration, I'm only going to focus on factoring and the quadratic formula. That's what I'm going to focus on. I mean, there's plenty of other ways to solve it, though. I know there's one method called completing the square. Oh, man, I really would love to have done that, but for time consideration, I'm not gonna. It's actually where the quadratic formula comes from. And we're gonna have to stop now, but this is what we're gonna see next time, though.